Good morning, children. Take out your English Rose Reader. Open to page number 53. Today, we will study the poem The Robin Makes a Laughing Sound, written by Sallie Wolf. This poem is about a child who learns to look at the nature and enjoy its beauty. Now, children, how many of you get up in the morning and look out of your window or go out in your garden to see the beautiful nature? In the morning, you can feel the fresh air. Yes, many of us go out and feel and enjoy the beauty of the nature. Same way here, the child learns to look at the nature and enjoy its beauty. While looking at the beauty, he sees a bird, robin. Now here, robin is a small brown bird with a red chest. It is a songbird. Let's read the poem first. The robin makes a laughing sound. It makes me stop and look around to see just what the robin sees. Fresh new leaves on twigs of trees, a strong, high branch on which to rest, a safe dry ledge to hold its nest. The robin makes a laughing sound. I stop. I always look around. When robin makes sound, then it sounds like it is making a laughing sound. Here the child is hearing the robin sound, stops and looks around to see what the robin sees, what makes the robin so cheerful. The child stops to see the beauty around which the robin also sees. Robin sees fresh leaves that come on the twigs, that is small thin branches of trees. The child could see a strong high branch on which the bird can rest and a safe dry ledge. Ledge means a narrow surface on the side of a wall or window that helps to hold the nest. Everything looks so nice around. The robin is happy and makes a laughing sound which makes the child stop and look around to enjoy the beauty of nature. So children, I hope you have understood the poem. Now read this poem 2 to 3 times and learn it. Try to say without seeing the book. Stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.